I thought there was a lot of cheese on the cheesy pub chicken sandwich, but you clearly went all out here.
There's places in here where there isn't cheese right now.
I know. I'd like to keep it that way.
Cheese it up with the cheesy pub chicken sandwich. This is how you Sonic.
We need this W.
Yeah, we do.
Okay?
Let's go, baby. You're good. Next one. Next one. It's first. What quarter is it? All right, baby. Let's go. He's two. He's two. What's up, baby? Come on, three. Keep hitting the hole. You wanna go nowhere? Big boy, how many pounds you gained, man? I almost picked that.
We almost got that one, man.
Let's go. New Life Monday, Veek. It's okay.